feel for how it weighs. Right. If you want to, go ahead and roll it back and forth too.
So I'm going to put it in first gear, and then we're going to practice firing up this one.
Now let's go halfway. Let it snap back. Now quarter way. So this is called rolling on and rolling off. Roll on the throttle, give it more gas, acceleration. You roll off, decelerate to give it less gas. So same principle as a gas pedal in a car. You roll on instead of pressing it, gives you more throttle and acceleration, more gas. You roll off to decelerate, give it less gas. Now, we're going to talk about the front brakes.
Roll the bike forward as you're doing that. You hear that click? Yes. Cool. Let go. Go ahead and let out slowly on the clutch. And now try to roll the bike. You're in gear now. Awesome. Let's try to take it out of gear. Squeezing on the clutch lever. Take your foot, bring it underneath the shift lever, and just a nice gentle lift up. Yes, perfect. Do you hear that? Now let out on the clutch and try to roll it down.
Roll off. Roll on, roll off, reach and squeeze. Perfect. Still one more time. Roll on, roll off, reach and squeeze. Excellent work. Great smooth moves. So the